In this video, you will learn how to create Snapchat account private. The process is really simple and it is similar for Android as well as for iOS devices. So nothing to worry about if you are on Android. First, make sure that you are connected with the internet, and once connected with the internet, tap and open your Snapchat application. So after opening your Snapchat application, open settings on your Snapchat, and in settings scroll down and look for the heading which says who can. Here it is, and under this heading you can see various options such as contact me, send me notifications, view my story, location, etc. So if you want to create Snapchat account private, you have to set all these options into private. Like right now you can see that contact me option is set to everyone, notification is also set to everyone, story and location, everything is set to everyone. So firstly I'm going to tap on contact me and then set this option to my friends only. Now no stranger can contact me. After that, go back and then open the option of view my story, and here you can see that this option is also set on everyone. So you can also set on my friends and custom, but here I am setting it on my friends. After that, go back again, and here you can see the option of see my location. So right now who can see my location is set on my friends, but if you want to create more privacy, then you can turn on your ghost mode. When this mode is enabled, your friends can't see your location. So I'm tapping on it, and now select choose a duration 3 hours, 24 hours, until turned off. So here I'm selecting until turned off, and now my ghost mode is enabled. Now you can also use my Camos selfie to my friends only. So in this way your Snapchat account has been set to private. So if you find this video helpful, then please like, share and subscribe before leaving. Thanks.